Hello everybody, I want to show you this video. You can insert a SIM card at a Sony Xperia 5. So if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side of the phone the SIM tray. It is behind a little door here, and there's also a small notch there, and with your fingernail you enter that notch and open the door of the SIM tray, and then you can remove it like this. So turn it then to see the little instructions here, and let us start with the first SIM card. You put it here in that position. So missing corner and missing corner, and the contacts are on the top. And for the second position, you have to decide between a micro SD card if you want made to extend the memory, or you can use also a second SIM card if you want. So let us put it like this. And yeah, also missing corner, and the contacts are also on the top. Yeah. And if you want to extend the memory, you have to remove the second SIM card because it works just with one then. You put the micro SD card like this. So you have to fix it a bit. And yeah, also the contacts are here on the top. And has to look like this. Okay, if you want to insert it, put the phone like this on the camera side here, and then enter here the cards, and that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. Yeah, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. Maybe until next time. Ciao.